How to find the maximum of a function? This video explains to you all the details. Suppose we consider the function y equals x squared between -1 and 2. It's clear that this function has a minimum when x equals 0 and has a maximum on the right end when x equals to 2. Can we find them? Remember, to compute a maximum or minimum, you need to take derivatives. So if our function is x squared, how do we go from here? The derivative of f is 2x, and hence we have the derivative is equals to 0 if 2x is equals to 0 or x equals to 0. We got a point called a critical point where the derivative is 0. And how do we check if it's a maximum or a minimum? The second derivative. The second derivative of this function is constant 2. So the second derivative at 0 is also 2. It's positive, we get a minimum. Here in the graph you can see x equals to 0 is a minimum. But we don't have maximum. We have not found any point of maximum value. And it's clear from the graph that x equals to 2 is a maximum. What happens? What happens if we are not testing on the endpoints? The endpoints of this interval are x equals to -1 and x equals to 2. And we haven't tested that. So let's go and do it. We first check the value of the function at -1. When x equals to -1, the function is 1. That's the point A marked on the left of your slide. Let's go for the right-hand point. If we check the value of the function at 2, we have that 2 squared is 4. So we have 3 points. X equals to 0 is our minimum, x equals to -1, point A, which is nothing, and x equals to 2. Y equals to 4, that's the maximum. We found the minimum at x equals 0 and the maximum at x equals 2. What's the general rule? Next slide will tell you. If you want to find the maximum and minimum values of a function on a closed interval, you have to do the following. First, you need to find the critical points where the derivative of the function is 0. Then you evaluate the function at the critical point. What means? Compute the value of the function at the points. Then compute the value of the function at the two endpoints of the interval. Then from there, you got it. The maximum value is the maximum, the minimum value among these is the minimum. As simple as that. Critical point, endpoints. Good luck.